Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to break down 4 side hustles in the crypto world that you've probably never heard of each, with the potential to earn you $10,000 a month or even more. And here's the best part, none of these involve trading. While trading is often the first thing that springs to mind with crypto, but the reality is that over 90% of traders lose money in trading. So we're taking a different route, exploring paths less traveled, but potentially way more rewarding. So without any delay, let's get started. Alright, let's dive into our first crypto side hustle, grid bot trading. Now, this might sound a bit technical, but stick with me. It's simpler than you think, and incredibly cool. So what's a grid bot? Imagine having a smart robot friend that does all the hard work of trading for you. This buddy buys crypto when the price drops and sells it when the price rises, all within a specific price range you set. It's like setting up a net that catches profits as the market moves up and down. The magic here is in the automation. You set it up once, and it keeps working for you, day and night. Now you might be wondering where you can get this amazing tool. One of the best places to start is KuCoin. It's user-friendly and has a great setup for beginners and pros alike. Here's how to get started. Sign up on KuCoin. Head over to their website. There's a link in the video description, and if you join via my link, you will get extra sign-up bonus. Then next, find the trading bot. Once you're logged in, find the trading bot section on the app. Choose your bot, select the SpotGrid trading bot. This is where the best part, you'll see how many bots are active, and the top performers, you can copy any top performer bot, or if you click on next and start creating your own bot, add your details like select coin, price range, choose your grid, and you're good to go. The beauty of grid bot trading is its set it and forget it approach. Whether you're just starting out or you've been around the block a few times, a grid bot can be a game changer in how you approach crypto earning. Moving on to our second side hustle in the crypto space, name crypto launchpads. So, what exactly is a crypto launchpad? Think of it as a launch platform for new crypto projects, where you as an investor get a first look and a chance to buy into these projects before they hit the broader market. Now, why is this exciting? Because getting in early on a project can mean huge returns once the project takes off. It's like being one of the first people to invest in a startup that goes on to yield 50x or 100x returns. Let's talk about where you can find these launchpads. There are so many launchpads, but there you need to buy their tokens. I will only share launchpads, where you don't need to invest heavily in launchpad tokens, so the best launchpad platform is none other than Binance and Bybit Launchpad. On Bybit, you can participate by holding USDT tokens, and similarly on Binance, you can participate by staking FDUSD tokens. The joining link for both platforms is available in the description. Simply download and create an account on both platforms. After sign up, deposit your funds and stake USDT at the launch pool option. After staking, you will get daily crypto tokens. You can then hold or immediate sell tokens, and don't forget to add my referral code. It will not just help you get a sign-up bonus, but it also gives you access to me for solving any queries you might have. Third side hustle is crypto airdrops. This is a fantastic way to earn free passive money. Recently, projects like Arbitrum, ZetaChain, and Celestia have distributed thousands of dollars through airdrops to their communities. But why would projects give away their tokens for free? The answer lies in the power of community. By distributing tokens to a wide audience, projects can create hype, attract new users, and build a strong base of supporters who are invested in the success of the project. It's a win-win strategy. Projects get the promotion, and you get free crypto. Last but not least, staking. This one is for those who prefer a more passive approach to earning in crypto, but still want to see their digital assets grow over time. Staking is essentially the crypto version of earning interest in a savings account, but often with much higher potential returns. Here's how it works. You lock up a portion of your cryptocurrency holdings to support the operation and security of a blockchain network. In return for your contribution, you earn rewards, typically in the form of additional tokens. It's a crucial part of the proof-of-stake mechanism, which many modern cryptocurrencies use. Why stake? First off, it's a fantastic way to earn passive income on your crypto holdings rather than just keeping in your wallet. Plus, it helps secure the network and process transactions, which is vital for the stability and efficiency of the blockchain. So I hope you have found the best passive income method. But if you want to understand what will happen after Bitcoin halving, then click on this video. Thanks for watching, bye.